straight into it. If you want to buy a cheap Disney Plus account without worrying about getting scammed, here's exactly what to do. Super quick and beginner-friendly. First, click the link in the description. Now, that's important because the discount only works if you go in through that link. It'll take you to the platform's homepage where they list shared subscriptions. Next, find Disney Plus and click Join or View More Details. You'll be automatically sent to the checkout screen. Here, you'll have to choose the duration of the subscription depending on the amount of time you need it for. Once that's done, activate Auto Renewal to make sure the subscription renews itself automatically when the expiration date comes. Then on this same page on the right side of the screen, there's a box for promo or discount codes. Just click on it and paste the code JAAKF into that field and hit Apply. You should see the price drop right away. Finish by entering your payment details and confirming your share. Once payment clears, you'll get access details in your account or by email. Quick tip, double-check the plan limits so it fits what you need. That's it. Click the link in the description, use code JAAKF, and you'll have Disney Plus cheaper in just a couple minutes.